Well, the 3720 did end up getting going, and the ghost is here and the cables are out. I gotta know, will some extra juice get old girl going? Now I don't really need it, because that one's going, but what the hell, I'm determined. See what happens. So, we'll give this a go. Jeez, she might not want. Wow, sounding flooded. Oh, it's smelling flooded. You know, choky maybe is not the answer for this one. Give that a little bit. Turn that off. See what goes. Can't believe that she don't want it. I used to use this tractor all the time in the winter and it wanted it. Oh, come on, old trusty. You know, she don't want to come around for a guy. Let's see if this guy is plugged. And yeah, we got some icicle action going in the air box or oil bath. That's nice. That's good for it. Get that right out of there. Maybe. It's holding pretty tight. Yeah. Alright. That's good. Get that on there. Yeah. Dripping fuel. That's nice. Oh shit. Yeah. Assuming we got some wonderful carburetor issues. She just does not want it. That's like a kitten out of milk pail though. Plus, I was fucking around to let that warm up anyways. Oh, white ghost there too. Alright. Come on. Guessing with all that sweet fuel leaking out the carb action, we're too flooded to start. Turn the old gas off, crank her a little bit and see if we can get some of that out of there. We might have to be, for sure, two failed cold starts, it's looking. I don't know how long I want to putz with this guy. What the hell? Nothing runs like a deer. apparently, except these ones. Oh yeah. Damn. Oh, I put this way back down. Idler back there. Not even a sputter, a pop, anything. I mean, I expected a little bit more than this. Yeah, damn. It's like it's an old $300 beater or something. Well, we'll go fuck around and let that charge a little bit, and we'll come back to this guy. Now that we got this going, we can hopefully get out of here. Oh yeah. Maybe. And then maybe just for shits and gigs, we'll blow a little snow here. So why not? Charge up the old battery. Oh boy. Alright. Hey, settle down there. Well, so far so good. Sweet. I gotta say, I liked my 70 for plowing snow. It was always a good tractor when I ran it all the time in the winter, but you know, now that we got this girl, you can't really contend with that. Got the heat, snowblower action. 10 out of 10. Love this thing. Blows like crazy. Being so cold, that snow is so nice and light. She's really hammering like that too. Trail going over this way. Wow. We now managed to, on film, break the ever-living piss out of the snowblower. Oh, that's a tasty treat I did not want. God damn it. What did she eat? Well, it's looking like, what the fuck over is that? What the fuck is that? Holy shit, I know what that is. We ate a frickin' shock off my old truck axle. Look at that fucker right in there. She did not eat that up. Oh, well. Wonder what damage we suffered out of that. Oh, Carnage City. We blew my fucking drive shaft right off. That's nice. Them are only 500 bucks. That was not worth it. God damn it. Alright. Great. Now it'll probably freaking have a snowstorm tomorrow. That's gonna be a fun treat to dig out of there. Yeah, yahoo. Well, we're back over here from the snowblower now that that's right fucked. And this has been on here for whatever, a couple minutes. We'll give her one last go, I guess. See if it wants to sputter for a guy. Doubting it. Just not even a little bit. She's not thrilled at all. Wow. This is turning out to be a kind of a rough night. Ew. Way she goes. Well, turns out epic failure too. Cold start life, no good. Put her back in the shed. That's enough of that. Well, thanks for watching the carnage. Maybe we'll try them again a different night.